type parentheses. This built-in Python function tells us the type of object passed to it. Real quick, I cut off the other video and I came back here. So I'm just literally starting where the other video left off. Like in the above code, it shows that array is numpy.nd array type. Hold on. Okay. So this sentence it tells us the type of object passed to it, type of object passed to it, type of object passed to it. Okay. So passed to it is whenever you do a whole bunch of things in here, then you click run or enter or something. Blah 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 blah. Hold up. Blah 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 blah. What in the world? I've never seen this. Alright, I have no idea what happened. I don't know if their inner coding system, inner platform, or inner processor messed up or something, but when you hit run with this, it's supposed to create this. I think this might be messed up or something, but I can still explain the analogy though. Basically, passed to it. So basically, all this calculations, after the calculations are done, pass to it. Calculations done, pass to it. Calculations done, pass to it. And this is all the pass to it results. Pass to it results, pass to it results. This is the pass to it stuff, pass to it stuff, pass to it. And you can just consider run or enter the pass to it button. Run, enter, pass to it button. Run or enter, pass to it button. Yeah. Alright, run or enter, pass to it button. Okay? And okay. Alright, so let's read the sentence again. This built-in Python function type and built-in means basically it's a default Python option. Like usually you all this is you making all the inner networks and all the inside stuff of a function. You're making a whole bunch of stuff to create a function. You're making a whole bunch of stuff to create a function. You're making a whole bunch of stuff to create a function. But type by itself is built in. It's something that type is something that came with NumPy. Like the NumPy Corporation. The NumPy Corporation created type. The NumPy Corporation created type. NumPy Corporation created type. And it's built in. So you don't have to put any a extra creation or anything. The second you put type, Python's automatically going to know, alright, this is one of the built-in functions that they made for us at the factory. These other people ain't about to make it for us and all that. Okay. So this built-in Python function, type, tells us the type of object passed to it. Okay, so in layman's terms, type tells us what this is. Type tells us what this is. Type tells us what this is. And tells us when object passes. Type tells us what this is when we press run or enter. Type tells us what this is when we press run or enter. Type tells us what this is when we press run or enter. Type tells us what this is when we press run or enter. Okay. And like in the above code, it shows that R is numpy.nd array type. Okay? So to make it simpler, array. What type is array? Array is this type. And sometimes the same thing as a math problem. It's not going to be in super order. To make this easier, I could just minimize this. Hold up. Okay. So, vocab. Array. Type. And this is the actual result type. Result type is this. Bam. Result type. Bam. Result type. Bam. Alright. And that's it.